What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install missing clock app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So usually this app is pre-installed on Samsung phones, but if you can't find the clock app or you have uninstalled the clock app by mistake, then you can open Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store, tap on the search icon and then search for Samsung clock. And after that, scroll down and look for the Samsung clock app. So this is the Samsung clock app. Tap on this app. And then from here on the bottom of your screen it will show a install option. So to install the app, tap on install, and after installing it will show the open option, and when you will tap on open, the Samsung clock app will be opened. So that's how you can install the missing clock app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.